Oh, here's a look at a Central Electronics 100V 20 meter output coil, which was designed by Joe Batchelor and Wes Shum for the Central Electronics 100V transmitter. I'm thinking that coils like this are also used in their linear amplifier, the 600L. They're probably heavier duty coils, but this is the 20 meter coil, and it's coated green. In reading Dominic's book about the Central Electronics company history, it seems they had trouble bringing these coils into production because of stray capacitance among the coils and stray capacitance to the final amplifier tubes. They could make these coils, but then once they were put into production, they were not performing until they figured out the other variables in the equation. And so this just plugs in, almost like a wall socket plug, to the 100V. I'll put this plug, or this coil in tomorrow. Anyway, I just have it here for posterity's sake so people can take a look at it if they ever want to learn about it, or they have to fix one, or they're just curious. Here's a good picture of a working coil. The coil I had was all burned up around here, all shorted out. Anyway, and Dominic was kind enough to send me a 10 meter injection or 10 meter oscillator crystal, which I need badly because my 10 meter band is not working. So this should be a good addition for the transmitter, the 100V, which is patiently waiting for the parts sitting right there on the table. So that's got to come down, pull it back out of the case, install these, and I want to put the bottom cover onto the RF deck and see how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.